Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to add the materials on our microphone. So open your scene if you haven't watched part 1, so make sure to watch it before you watch this part 2. So let's get started. As I said, open your scene and let's see the reference images that I showed you the last time. So this is the mic that we used, as you know. So first of all, the head of the mic is color black and some extra colors, orange, silver. So as we said, the head will be in color black. Let's add a black material. Add a black material anyways, and add a black material on this stripe also. And the handle of the mic is also color black, so let's add the material on it also. And this bottom stripe, this one, yeah, this one, it's color black also. This bottom stripe is also black, and this stripe on top of this black stripe, we saw in the reference that it's color orange. Let's scale it a bit more. Add a orange material and a silver material on the bottom one. So this one. Add a new. How are we going to add this silver material like metal? So add a material. Do the base color almost as half gray and raise the metallic on one. Add a plane. Scale it up. Grab Z and then go to surface, change it from principal BSDF to emission shader. When we go to render view mode, you can see it's very dim. Go to the render settings, change the EV to cycles, and you can see the magic is happening. So I feel like the head is very thin, so let's just make it a bit thicker. Yeah, I think that's fine. And let's raise the emission strength to 5, like this. And let's add the camera. Go to the shader tab, to the solid view mode, add a camera, pick a perfect perspective, and I'm just going to rearrange my screen here. Let's see. That should do it. Go to the world settings and make the color dim black. And then click on your camera. Go to this camera icon and then view for display. Make the pass parts out 1 full. So we can focus on the rendered space. Like this. Go to the render view mode and you can see your mic looks like very in an amazing view as you set it. I think I'm going to change the view of it. So select the microphone and just match it with your perspective. That's good looking actually. Let's just rotate it a bit. How about adding some depth of field? So what depth of field means, like some kind of blur in your scene. Let's add a empty first. Let's hit explain. Click on your empty and then just place it almost about here. Go to your camera, unhide your plane, and then click on your camera. Go to depth of field and select it. Click on object, focus object, and click on your empty. So when you go to your shader tab, you can see some kind of blur is happening in your scene. If you increase it won't be blurry. If you decrease, it will be blurry. So let's add more, but I think I'm going to change the place of the axis. I'm going to move it till the head of the mic, like this. Go to your camera settings again, and this looks much better. Let's make it 2 or 0.8. You have to play with your setting in the f-stop for your blur in scene. I think this is fine. And yeah, this was the part 2 of how to make a mic in Blender. So we added the material, set it up the light and the camera. We used extra settings for some extra effects. You can add more effects if you like. I'm going to try and make an extra video or part 3 of adding extra effects into our mic scene. So stay tuned for that also. And thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below how do you think. Bye!